Hey folks, today is June 27th. It's about 9:45 in the morning. Since tomorrow is going to be our last day of testing with Globit, I want to go ahead and record myself taking some of these signals here, hopefully. Obviously, they had several trades in the DAX, and I believe quite a few of them have already closed out in profit. All right, so far, no, here it is. 4 winning trades so far today, 53 points in profit so far. And we just got a Dow trade here. I wasn't able to jump in on that one though. Where's it at? As it was here, and I think it was at 545. But when I got the order, it was actually the market was down here, and it ended up going up and touching it. But typically, the vendor gives us sell stop orders, not sell limit orders, and that wasn't specified here. So I decided not to jump into that trade. But I asked a few people to see if they were in it, and they said, "Yep, I'm in. I'm in." Just looked. So a couple people, and it also could be that with a different broker, it's possible that the pricing was simply different on the other platform. There aren't a lot of people that I know of in the U.S. I think I only know of 2 people that are using FX Choice, which is the broker for the U.S. Clients. Everybody else is using the other broker. So it's highly likely that they have a different price action. And for them, it was a sell stop. The price was under. So it is what it is. It'll happen sometime. But for the Dows, you guys can see 26515. Since the market has gone up a little bit and come back down, we can see here 26515 is right here. So we can go ahead and enter an order. Actually, let me pull this on the side so I can still see what's going on down here. All right, so I'll go to new order. You can see Dow. Price is 26515. Selling a stop. And let's go to 26515. All right, take profit is going to be 26500. 26500. All right, let's go ahead and put that in. All right, so as you guys can see here, we do have our order in. Now we'll just be patient and see if the market comes down and gets us filled on it. All right, I'll go ahead and pause it and come back once we get entered. All right, guys, just a quick update. We're getting close to getting filled here, and we're now in the trade looking for 10 points. One good thing I've noticed about this is that typically he will give you all of your pending order levels or prices initially. So that way you can go ahead and place them. You might have 5 or 6 pending orders, and as the market fills one, the next one will get hit. So you don't kind of have to worry about consistently putting them in throughout the day. That's not to say you won't get multiple orders throughout the day. Both Dow trades hit. Yep. Now I'm just going to let this one run, see what it does. An example of what I just said, if we take a look at the DAX here. All right, so at 2:09 in the morning, we got one. Then at 2:12, we got another one. What I'm looking for is days like this right here, where you'll get 3 at 2:28, and then another 3. So basically, ahead of time, or you can go ahead and put your orders in ahead of time, basically, which is obviously a good thing here. All right, so now we're just going to continue to watch and wait and see what happens with this. And I'll pause it and I'll come back to you guys once something of interest happens. All right, guys, we're making a second push down here. Just waiting to see if we can get enough of a push to go ahead and pass our profit target. All right, first Dow close, 15 points in profit. Very nice. Like I said, I missed that first Dow trade. Second one's still looking good. All right, not sure how many pushes down it's going to need to get to our profit target. So I'll go ahead and pause it again and I'll come back once we get another nice push down. But you guys just saw they did get that first trade hit the profit target, 15 points. So that's definitely a good thing. Second one is in. So we'll see what happens. Be back momentarily. Hey folks, just another quick update. As you guys can see, the market is pushing down pretty heavily here. We got this push up here for it closed right down here near the opening of the bar. Just waiting for it to give us that tiny little extra push to get past that take profit level. Market just does not seem to want to pass this area here right now. You see it's tried it here, several times here, and a third, fourth time here. So we'll keep on waiting. Eventually, hopefully, it will go ahead and push through. Somebody did make difference of the fact that there's a pricing difference between BD Swiss and FX Choice here. Empire, your chart is different from ours. Your prices are lower. So as you guys can see there, definitely a bit of a difference. And let's see what he says about the DAX. Close at 2 pending orders on DAX. Okay. All right, so we'll keep on waiting here. Market tried to push down further. Got a little bit further than the previous two attempts, but not enough to take us out of the trade. So we'll see what happens on the next attempt. Be back momentarily. All right, folks. I've been watching the chart, and as you guys can see, we got this really quick spike down. Wasn't enough time for me to click the record button, but as we can see here, here it is, $15 in profit. Really quick spike down there. I'm pretty sure that's most likely going to be it for the day. As we're after 11 o'clock. And we can take a look at this here. Let me make sure he hasn't updated it yet. Second trade triggered, done in seconds. All right, so everybody else got filled on that trade and already hit their profit targets as well. But as you guys can see here, today, the 27th, these are the 4 DAX or the 3 DAX trades. One Dow already had a winner, and I'm assuming that second Dow winning trade will be added later on today. But as you guys can see, this week so far, they've only had 2 losing trades. Last week, 2 losing trades. And this week right here, they took quite a few trades. They had more losses here, but in comparison to the losses, they had significantly more winners also. So far what I've seen, things are definitely looking good. My main issue is that I'm not able to catch a lot of those DAX early morning trades. But if you're somebody that's in a situation where you are able to catch those trades, I definitely think it's worth taking a look into. Or if you're in the US and you're able to wake up at 2 o'clock or so to start catching those DAX signals, you can see here 209, 212. And I've talked to a few people in the US that are waking up early and that are making really good money doing that. So it's just something to keep in mind here. Amazing results for today. Let's see what Malcolm has to say here real quick. That's the vendor. Most likely he's just going to update us on the profit and loss on the day. All right, well, I'm sure that'll come up here momentarily. There's still time for you guys to jump in and get that 30-day trial. That promotion is going to be ending on the 30th. Yep, that's both Dow trades closed for profit. Today results, 3 DAX, 2 Dow winning signals, plus the DAX that was left open overnight. All right. Okay, so she was just confirming that BD Swiss doesn't accept U.S. clients. I had mentioned that up here. Somebody said I opened the account with BD Swiss because I was having the same problem with different prices, and I said I would also, but I don't think BD Swiss takes U.S. clients. So she was just letting me know that they don't. All right, guys. Once you get signed up for your 30-day free trial, you'll be able to come in here and get caught up on the customer support room and also see the signals. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and shut things down now. We're at about 13 minutes. So I will see you guys tomorrow, which is when I will go ahead and put out the final weekly update review for the Globit system. All right, take care, folks. Have a good rest of your day.